Boy, who's a cutie pie? Aw, show me again. Come on. Oh. Hi. River. Does that chair taste good? Oh. He hit his head on the chair. What are you doing? Oh. He's so cute. He's being shy. I'm going to move the chair. Do it again. He's so cute. Show us your shy face. Show us your shy face. Oh.
Don't want to do it anymore? You licked up his noses again.
Yeah, he's so cute. Hi. Hi, cutie. You gonna stop eating the chair now? Oh. Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. I love you. You love your brother, eh?
Hi.